Every morning, before the sound of machines fills the air, before another day of work begins, a new journey takes shape. A journey built on precision, reliability, and trust. This is Scon Infra Prestress LLP.
Scon Infrastructure, ours is a prestressing company. We have 3 divisions: design, supply, and installation. Also, we are exporting many products to foreign countries like Europe, Hungary, then to Middle East, Oman, Bahrain, and Dubai. Then South African countries also we are supplying expansion joints, prestressing material.
We have got all our products manufactured in-house, and the same is being controlled by our quality department from the raw material, production, testing, and the finished products.
We have an internal team of everything, right from design, drafting, labor, technician, engineers who are highly dedicated to give you an excellent and very top-notch service.
Every day begins with commitment, and every commitment begins with the people behind it.
From raw material processing to finished goods, every stage is monitored carefully to ensure best output. At the end of the day, it's not just about manufacturing products, it's about building trust through each component that we deliver.
This is where engineering meets execution. Every cut is made with accuracy, because every millimeter matters.
For our factory, we are blessed with the senior persons. Our foreman is a 73-year-old ex-gammon. Then we have many consultants on roll for our bridge division, bridge bearing division, bridge expansion joint division. We have seniors from Indian Rubber Manufacturers Association. They are guiding our team. In our Kalyan factory, we have advanced machines such as extrusion machine for PE coating and waxing for unbonded strands, then extrusion machines for HDPE pipes, then VMC machines for anchor head and bridge bearings. We have fully automatic plant for wedges.
Powering every process, with precision in every movement. Strength is not created by chance. It is crafted with precision.
today we are going to talk about our quality lab, which we have built for our pre-stressing product. So there are mostly different types of instruments and a specialized person for the checking of our products. So our production is 24/7 efficient with the production. Our quality team is also with par with all the equipments necessary for testing. At the Scon lab, precision is not option. It is the foundation of every step we try to deliver.
At Scon, every product is tested for quality, performance, and reliability before it becomes part of the projects we build. Every component has its place because precision starts with preparation. Beyond engineering and innovation, our roots continue to guide our journey.
Factory is a very integral part of Scon company. Earlier, you used to have different vendors for various products such as bearings, wedges, HDP ducts, and normal metallic ducts. But we used to have issues in their quality and also the delivery timing. This would normally hamper our activities at site as well as in our factory. And because of these vendors' products, we were losing our orders and our major clients. So we decided to start our own factory in which we could manufacture all these products in-house under one roof.
Behind every achievement is a team working with one shared purpose.
I'd like to introduce you all to our building division, how we are utilizing this high-end and this excellent product to our building industry. So our core strength lies with the design department. Along with the design, this team, we have our in-house transport system. We are to proudly say we have our own fleet of transports of 15 to 18 vehicles, so that the movement along whatever the products which we are manufacturing should be equally delivered fast on time to the site, so that the client gets the very best out of it for his every penny paid.
Every successful project begins with a precise plan. What we build today stands strong for years to come. Scon Infra Prestress LLP. Building trust through precision.